Hello and welcome. You're watching WION World is One. My name is Neem Korsaro and here's a look at all the top stories that we're tracking for you right now. IDF releases footage of strikes on Syrian fighter jets, missile launchers and weapons manufacturing sites as Israel says its incursion into the buffer zone and seizure of strategic areas is a measure to ensure its security. Gaza Civil Defense Agency says a series of Israeli airstrikes killed at least 58 people, including 12 guards securing 8 trucks, while Israeli military says it targeted militants planning to hijack the vehicles.
The President approved a new security assistance package for Ukraine that will provide them with additional air defense, artillery, drones, and armored vehicles. It's the 72nd.
U.S. announces new $500 million package of military aid for Ukraine as Washington races to bolster Kyiv before Trump takes office. Blinken says the United States is providing urgently needed weapons and equipment to Ukrainian partners. White House says President Joe Biden is closely monitoring the situation in Bangladesh and the United States will hold Bangladesh interim government accountable for ensuring the protection of religious minorities in the country. White House says U.S. government has no evidence that drone sightings reported in New Jersey pose national security or public safety threat, urges Congress to pass legislation to expand drone authorities. Pro-European Union protesters take to the streets for the 15th consecutive day in Tbilisi as Georgians rally against newly elected government. 6 EU Parliament members joined protests to express solidarity. Thousands of Afghans attend funeral of refugees Minister Khalilur Rahman Haqqani after he was killed in a suicide bombing in Kabul in an attack claimed by the Islamic State group. Widespread rains lash parts of India's Tamil Nadu, prompting authorities to declare a holiday for schools in Chennai and many other districts. Intense rain across the state inundated several areas. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.